Anyway, just wanted to get back and show you that it's ready to paint. I mean, I gotta block it. Gotta block it, but I think you can see that it's good. Got these. Remember, it had a hole that big all through here. But water won't never get to it again. Oh, and I was going to tell y'all, this is a 69 Cadillac we're working on. Never did get to say that. Pretty cool. What's funny is the back seat. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's so dirty. Anyway, yeah. The back seat has a fold down right there for the back to put their feet on. It's crazy, like a barber's chair. But anyway, that's how it turned out. It's going to be perfect.